For example, we write it like this: declare, and then we declare a particular variable x, right? Suppose I initialize it to some value, and then I say select apparent x, fine. And this is right now only on, let's say, two set of statements. Like this, I have 10 or 15 set of statements, and this I cannot execute independently. If I execute independently, then there will be some problem. I will initialize it. And if I execute independently, each one of it will execute on its own. Now declare becomes one statement. Select is not giving me the value 6 because it becomes another statement. But if I execute them together as one batch, then I'm going to get answer. Is it okay? So these together I'm executing as one batch. They're called as batches. Now these batches, like whatever we were being executing, they were not having any name. Are we storing these as database objects? No, we are not storing them as database objects. Like for example, we see sometimes here, isn't it? Like under this database, I have many objects. I have some kind of views, I have some kind of tables, as you can see here. But then these batches that we have been writing so far, these batches, the one that I'm highlighting right now, they do not have any name. They are not physically stored in the database. Okay. So what do we have to do? Every time when I have to when I need that functionality, every time I'll have to write that code and execute it.